Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Ken Kavanaugh, and this is a series of This Week in Your National Government. It just happens to not be a weekly report here this morning. The actual caption of this is Biden's tax plans are going to tax every one of us. Don't be fooled by the lies that you're hearing from Washington D.C. It's all misdirection. In fact, the Biden tax plans are the key role in the next stage of hyperinflation here in the U.S., and that's how it's going to affect those of us making less than $400,000 a year, in a backdoor tax plan. This is going to be brief. It's really just a matter of words. But the Twing report sees things that the average American just doesn't see, the average American just doesn't hear. And I need to bring these things out because they're just so plain to me. Just to give you some background, I mean, I watch Fox News Channel almost all day long. I used to watch CNN from time to time, but I just got sick and tired of their left-wing lies. But watching Neil Cavuto, he talks about money matters, and in his discussion about these tax plans, where Biden wants to tax, you know, people only making $400,000 a year or more, and he doesn't want to tax we the people, the hardworking American people, right? This is a lie. The tax plan that Biden is generating is a highly inflationary tax plan, and that's how it's going to hit us. You just have to think this through and just put all the words together to get it right. What it boils down to is that people making over $400,000 a year are either A, highly professional, and skilled people, or B, they're CEOs of small businesses or CEOs of major businesses. And it's that last group that I really want to talk about because that's really where a lot of these folks are going to be getting hit. If you're running a small business making a million, 2 million a year, gross from, or even, from salary from such a small business, and now Biden just starts reaching into your profits, starts reaching into your paycheck at almost 50% now. What are you going to do? You're going to raise the prices of your products and your services to then be collecting that tax from we, the people, as we buy their products and services. And that's really what is not coming out through the news, not even through Neil Cavuto, right? They're just not talking through those sort of channels. So what's going to be happening here is as Biden raises these tax rates to the employers, right, they will, of course, not give salary increases to their employees because now their profits are being cut into. So this will suppress pay increases and wage increases inside the workplace just in and of itself. But at the same time, like I say, these CEOs will then just simply raise the price of their products so that we're actually paying this tax anyway in what is now an inflationary, much higher price, retail environment. It's really just incredible when you hear these Democrats, right? Think about, we're for the hardworking people, right? Low income wage earners, right, are getting stepped on and things like that. Yet they instigate this inflationary tax program that's actually going to hurt us. It's going to hurt us more than it's going to hurt the people being taxed because we have to pay the higher prices and we're not getting the raises. Thank you very much. This has been a quick blurb. Don't trust Joe Biden and the Democrats. They've been lying to you for decades. Thank you very much. You have a good day.